Day 3 of the turkey hunt. It's gonna be a beautiful day today. No wind, no rain. Turkey's gotta go down today, man. We gotta make this happen. We gotta close the deal. There's been too many close calls yesterday and the day before not to have a turkey, man. It's insane. But going through some of the footage and from yesterday, there's some things that I've definitely learned. So, I guess that's the positive in all of it. Yeah, it sucks I didn't get a bird, but becoming a better hunter is always my main objective. And, like I said, there was some things that I did that probably could have, if I didn't do those things, probably would have ended in a dead turkey. When I was when I was by that private land, that bird actually flanked me. And when I saw him, I think he saw me, and I moved to go behind the tree, and then he disappeared, and they shut down. So, I don't know. And another thing is, take the shot. Take the shot. Why I always question how far it is. I want them to get close, but damn it, they don't need to be 10 feet from me. So, I guess that's just me, I could probably solve that by spending more time on the shotgun and sighting it in for turkey season and get to know the yardages. That would be smart, right? You'd think I'd do that, but I never have. Anyways, I'm going to sit here. I'm going to wait. Jamie and I are going to tag team these turkeys today. He says that he's willing to set up behind me and call, and hopefully in that back field, man, those two birds come in. This time I'm going to be sitting on the other side of the pines. So, but it's an all-day sit today. So I got the lunch pack cooler loaded with water and food. If I need to, I'll come back to the truck, take a quick nap, but I'm not leaving until a bird is down today. I'm going to be putting on some miles, so make sure I got some food with me today, because it's going to go down for sure. I have faith that today we will make it work. So thanks for tuning in. If you guys have been following along, like I said, this is day 3. Hopefully today is the end of my hunt, and then I can focus on helping Jason, Jamie, and Rob get a bird. But we'll see. So stay tuned. So day 3 of the turkey hunt has been a complete bust. I haven't even seen one bird today. We heard him early in the morning on the other side of this field, and I tried to play it differently by sitting on this side today in the pines. I had Jamie with me. Jamie was helping me call. And they were getting in on it, and then something happened. I think the problem is there's way more hunters out here today than there has been the last couple days. So they've been pretty pressured this morning, and now I haven't heard or seen a single bird. It's pretty disappointing, and unfortunately I heard a lot of shots. So, and tomorrow it's supposed to rain again, so this 4-part series could be cut short with a 3-part series. I don't hopefully my luck changes. I did see that those 3 deer a little earlier. I didn't know that bucks would already be growing their antlers back. That was pretty cool. Well, those freaking possums, man, straight chased me out of my spot. They're pretty brave sons of bitches. Anyways, I had crossed that whole field. I saw 2 toms strutting private land, and I ran over there to close the distance. Got within 30 yards, but I needed them to drop off that ridge, and they just weren't having it. They were responding, but they just didn't want to drop over that ridge. Lazy ass toms. So right now I'm walking up over here. I'm gonna check these other fields. I heard some gobbles over on this side this morning. Hopefully we can make something happen. Today's the last day, so. Well, thanks for tuning in to the turkey season. Unfortunately, it was a bust. And I'm going home birdless, but I can't say that I didn't have opportunities. I just didn't capitalize on any of them. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And as always, live free outdoors, and we'll see you on the next one.